How to create your Zoosk account in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First off, what is Zoosk? Zoosk is a popular dating platform that helps you connect with singles in your area. With its unique matching technology, it tailors potential matches to your preferences. To begin, open your web browser and head over to zoosk.com. You can also download the Zoosk app from your app store for mobile access. Now, once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button or login button. Now tap on sign up. You can sign up via your Google account. Now you need to enter the following details. Now you need to enter whether you're a woman or a man and your preferences, that is whether you like women, men or both. Then you need to enter your birth date. Now on the sign up form, you need to enter the email address. Make sure you use a valid email because you'll need it for verification. After that, you need to create a strong password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers and special characters to keep your account secure. Then click on sign up. Next, you'll need to upload some photos. Choose clear and recent pictures of yourself. Remember, a good profile picture can attract more matches. And congratulations, now you've created your Zoosk account.